So if you want to profit in 2021, there's basically three things that you're going to need. First, you'll need an opportunity. And this is basically something that you can see is making money for other people. It could be a niche that no one knows about, a keyword that's you can see people making money from on YouTube, Bing, or Google, or it could be an affiliate program that you can see that's blowing up, or a product launch. So you need something to promote, basically. Secondly, you'll want a website, ideally something you can throw up very quickly that's going to convert. We don't have time to build an authority site, and we don't have time to mess around building blogs. And then the third thing we'll want, of course, is traffic, and ideally very targeted traffic, which is low compliance. So of course, we know that Google and Facebook are two of the biggest traffic sources. But the problem there is you're going to run into compliance issues. You may get your account banned, in particular if you try and promote the type of offers that a lot of us do want to promote that we'll see on Clickbank, Warriorplus, etc. And so for all these reasons, it's very difficult for the average person to do all of this. But we've basically found a self-contained, repeatable method that's going to allow anyone to profit in 2021, so that you can get traffic and then turn that traffic into affiliate commissions with Clickbank, JvZoo, and Warriorplus for pretty much any offer out there, and of course for any affiliate program or your own offer beyond just those big platforms. And so the name of the software is Commission Avalanche, and the way that we're going to make money, and the way that I have been making money, not just in 2021, but actually I've been doing this since 2006, and it's made me, I said over 500K, it's probably made me well over maybe $2 or $3 million. The way that we're going to make money with this is with a three-step method. Firstly, we're going to create bonus pages that are going to be targeting very specific affiliate programs, and you're going to be using the exact same template that I use. And you can use this template either to promote 30 done for you campaigns that I'm going to preload into the software to get you started, or you can choose your own affiliate program and use these templates to promote any affiliate program very, very quickly. Secondly, we're going to give away bonuses. And again, this is done for you. All of these bonuses are super high quality. There's over $20,000 of resale rights offers built into this. And the software will not only add the bonuses to the bonus page, but it will actually give you hosted delivery URLs, so you can very easily give those away and add them to Warriorplus, JvZoo, or fulfill that bonus delivery however you want. And then thirdly, we're going to, once we've launched these pages and they're hosted on our system, we're going to drive traffic to those pages via 900 million users on Bing, or alternatively, you can use the 40 social network sharing function, which is built into the tool. Now, the reason that Bing is so great is because it's one of the most highly underrated platforms, because it's got two things going for it. Firstly, it's extremely targeted. It's pretty much as targeted as Google search in terms of the traffic you can get on there. But secondly, it's very low compliance. And so this is a keyword that I was running back on in about 2009, and this was a $200-300 a day keyword on Google Ads. Clickbank affiliate. Now, if we look at Google, you can see that there are no ads running here, and that isn't because the keyword isn't profitable. It's because anyone that runs immediately gets their ad taken down by Google. However, if we go over to Bing and we look at the same keyword, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ads that are running, all of them above the fold. And so this is a very, very targeted keyword that no one else can basically run on Google, but is very profitable on Bing. And so this is what we're basically going to be doing. And what's really cool about this is we can do this with thousands of product launches, okay? So we can create these bonus pages and basically target keywords such as Conversio bot reviews. So this is a affiliate program that I promote that has made me many, many thousands of dollars. And you can see that for this one, we have no one on Google, and yet on Bing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 affiliates. And of course, if you've been on JvZoo, Clickbank, or Warriorplus for more than just a few days, you'll know that there are literally dozens and dozens of launches like this happening every single week. Affiliates like me who have lists and websites, authority sites, are making good money consistently every single day promoting these offers. There are people making a lot more than me, making 100, 200, 500,000, $1 million in affiliate commissions in the first half of this year, promoting these types of offers on Clickbank, JvZoo, and Warriorplus. But for the average person, who doesn't have a list, who doesn't have a website, and doesn't have a way to get traffic, this is one of the most overlooked methods that there is to run on these Bing keywords. And with the software I'm about to show you, you can create websites that you can very easily get on Bing for these very targeted keywords. So with all that being said, let's actually head over to the Bonus Builder software and actually create our campaign and build our website. So the first thing we need to do is to choose a product to promote. You can see we've actually preloaded some done for you campaigns for you and done for you affiliate programs. And all you need to do is insert your affiliate link, click a button and launch your website, and then start promoting it on Bing or wherever else you want to promote it. So we can pre-fill all this information ourselves if we want. But the easiest thing to do is to choose one of our done for you campaigns. So I'm going to choose the websites niche, and then I'm going to choose ConversioBot, which is the offer that I mentioned before. You can see where it says affiliate link. Since this is JvZoo, we'll need to go to this link, which we can do by clicking here, and then request access for the affiliate link. Some of these are Clickbank, some are Warriorplus, and some are JvZoo. I'm just going to leave this as it is for now. You can see that we've preloaded a done for you video review, which I've done myself, along with call to action text, a clickable image, and we also have the option to add a 24-hour timer, which will expire at midnight Eastern time, and then we can choose a date that this particular offer will finish. And so I'm going to enter the 9th of June as the date that this will finish. And we can also promote one of my affiliate programs by entering Clickbank ID here. I'm just going to leave that blank. I'm not going to enter a tracking code. And I'm going to move down to step 2, which allows us to add up to 5 bonus products. And the way we do this is, again, very, very simple. We just click on the niche and add one of the bonuses. In this case, this is my website Autobot software. You can see it's inserted a logo image. It's inserted a bonus description and even a preview link. And I'm just going to repeat this for a few of the different software tools. So we'll give away that one as well. And we will give away, let's just put a few of these in. And we can keep on doing this as much as we want, but I'm just going to stop here at 4. So we're basically giving away 4 super high quality software tools. And now what we need to do is to save our page. And our page has now been saved, and you can see it will appear here. Now we can download the HTML for our page, and we can also publish this to our own website, or we can publish this to a website hosted by us. And so I'm going to do that here, because let's imagine that we don't have our own server or hosting account. I'm going to click on publish. And you can see it's now asking me where we want to publish our page to. And you can see we've registered this nice domain, lander.to. So I'm going to call this Chris Test, and I'm going to click OK. And you can see our page is now live. We still have the option to download HTML. And since we've published our page, we can now share this socially. And if I click on the share button, you'll see that we can share our site to 40 different social networks. And let me actually just go over to the page and show you how it looks. And so you can see we have our page here. Let me just zoom out so you can see it better. We have a preloaded video review, call to action. If we click here, this would go to our affiliate link. And we also have those bonuses that we mentioned before, all preloaded, another call to action, a countdown timer, an image which is preloaded for the offer, another countdown timer and a call to action. And that's literally taken us a few minutes to actually create. Now, if we wanted to promote an affiliate program that wasn't one that was preloaded, then we could still probably just, for example, let's say that it was similar to ConversioBot. We could click on ConversioBot, and then we could just change some of this information. So we could put our own video in, maybe change the call to action text slightly, insert a different image, and then, of course, down here, select our bonuses again. So it's a very, very easy way to create these super profitable sites. And by the way, this template is based on the exact template that I used for some of these top affiliate promos. So whenever I've done a bonus page, if you're on my list, you will have seen this. The pages look exactly like this. It's this style which has performed so well for me. And this software now allows people, average people, to create these pages and then either share them socially or, as I recommend, to actually promote them on Bing for the type of keywords that we're talking about here, which is product name and review. And this is something that you can do day in, day out for all of the top product launches that are happening right now on JvZoo, Clickbank, Warriorplus, etc., etc., etc. So I definitely recommend that people jump on this. It's perhaps some of the most useful software that I've built all of this year, perhaps even in a long time. And it's just going to be incredible for anyone who gets hold of it. And this method works extremely, extremely well. So I think that covers it, guys. I'm not going to say too much more. But thanks for watching the demo video, and I look forward to seeing you use the software and get great results with it.